guys, welcome to week 4 of our online learning experience. Here's our first video of the week for middle school math. We're going to keep going with our negative numbers. I want you guys to get very comfortable with those. We're going to be seeing a lot of them next year and beyond. So we're just going to be talking about putting negative numbers in order. So it's a little confusing because negative 5 is actually not bigger than negative 2, even though 5 is bigger than 2. Okay, so we're going to talk about the number line and how that helps us in putting these numbers in order. So up here I have 2 examples. We're going to put them in order from least to greatest, okay, so from smallest to biggest, and we're going to use our number line to do it. Okay, so here's our number line. This one only goes from negative 7 to 7, but it works for the purposes of these numbers. And then if we needed a bigger one for bigger numbers, you could always do that, but I'm hoping we can grasp it from just this, and then you won't need to draw a number line for bigger numbers like on your assignment, okay? So basically on the number line, any number that is to the right of another number is bigger, okay? I'm trying to find color that's gonna, so negative 5, for example, is to the right of negative 6. Therefore, it's bigger. Okay, just like over here, 2 is to the right of 1, 2 is bigger. Over here, negative 1 is to the right of negative 2, so that's bigger. Because as we go this direction, on the number line, the numbers all get bigger, okay? And as we go this direction, they all get smaller. Okay, so let's do our first problem. 3, 0, 5, and negative 1. Or sorry, negative 5 and positive 1. So the numbers that we're dealing with are negative 5, right? 3, 0, and 1. So the number line puts them in order for us. The least is the number that is all the way to the left. So negative 5 is the smallest number. Okay, next is 0. Then 1, then 3. But let's look at that and think about it if we didn't have a number line. If I have 0 of something and you have 1, you have more, right? So we're going least to greatest. If you have 3 of something, that's more than if you have 1, more than if you have 0, and more than if you have negative 5. Let's think about it in terms of money, because I think that's the easiest way to think about positive and negative numbers. If I have negative 5, that means I owe somebody $5. So I have negative $5, like my bank account, for example, let's say. If I have negative $5, that means I have less money than someone who has 3, or even 0. If you have $0 and I have negative $5, I still have less money than you. Okay, because I owe somebody $5. So let's look at number 2. We're putting in order the numbers 4, negative 2, negative 5, and 3. Okay, so again, on the number line, they're put in order for you. But if you're just looking at it this way, let's think about money again. If I have $4, that's the most, right? And we're going least to greatest, remember? Which one's the least amount of money? Negative 2, negative 5, or 3? Negative 5 is the least, right? Because that means I owe someone $5. So even if you have $0, you have more than me. Then maybe I go from owing $5 to $2. Negative 2 is bigger than negative 5 because I owe less. Okay, and then we have 3 left. Because of course, a positive number is bigger than any negative number, and then 4 is bigger than 3. Okay, so that's all we're doing for this assignment today. So I'm going to put it up here for you. Grab a piece of paper and a pencil. Write this down. Okay, remember you're ordering them from least to greatest. I even highlighted it there for you so that there weren't any misunderstandings. Least to greatest, smallest to biggest. And you'll see for those first 3, you'll be able to use the same number line we used in the video. The last 3, you're going to have to use your brain a little bit. Okay? Remember, those are the problems that you need to turn into me in addition to the problems from Thursday's video in order to be entered in the $25 gift card drawing. You can show me the answers on Zoom or you can email them to me with a picture of them. Remember, my Zoom hours are Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 9 a.m. for math questions and 12 noon for social time. So let me know if you guys have any questions or if I can help you at all. Okay, see you later.